Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset your G-Shock watch, okay, if you're not able to set the right time. So it's very simple. So you need to open it first and then first I will close this. Okay, here you can see, you can read it, AC, it says AC here. So if you have a close look, you can see it's a AC. So here it is actually connecting. Okay, it's connecting through this reset button. So I'm going to just press. Yes, so reset is done. After reset, right, what you need to do is simple. Here you need to press this adjust button, okay, for 5 seconds. For 5 seconds you need to press until you hear the beep. One beep, I heard it. Okay, now I can change that by pressing mode button to change the time. It shows 12:18 AM. So I'm going to press that. Okay, press this mode button. So it shows 12 hours. So now I'm going to change the time. If it is P means PM, if there is nothing is there, it's a AM. So now the time is 6:35 here. So I'm going to set the 6 and then pressing mode button to change minutes. I'm going to use this forward. You can use reverse or forward. 6:35. Again pressing this mode button to change that year. Okay. It's 2025. So changing the date again by pressing this mode button. So this is the month, right? And then press this mode button to change the date. Today is 5. Pressing the mode button. Okay. So here I'm going to change the country according to your region. So sorry, using forward. Yes, then I need to press this mode again. Sorry, need to press this adjust. So that's it friends. Now the time is set perfectly. So you need to reset and you can adjust it. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me in the forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.